Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brady Monster Johnson. Happy birthday to you. Look, open your eyes. What is that?
Why do you put a candle in?
What is it?
Bacon sandwich with a candle.
A bacon sandwich? Why would I do that?
A candle. Candle.
What do you do to a candle?
Blow it, but it's in my face.
Make a wish. Make a wish.
I'll just blow it.
Okay. Very good.
How does it go away?
Looky there. Here, your hands are wobbly. Are you 6 years old today? Happy birthday!
Thank you.